So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of unintentional black bars, or if you want to add the black bars on the timeline when you play the video, how you can get all of that. Now in order to get that option toggle, all you need to do is to just simply click on this option that says timeline over this top left corner, and here you'll see this option that says output blanking. In here you'll find multiple values, like if I select 2.40, you see there's some black bar will appear in the video playback. So if you don't want it, all you can do is you just simply click on this option of timeline and again then click on this option of output blanking. Here you need to select this option that says a reset. Now it will not produce any kind of black bars in the video. So if you want, you can just simply toggle the amount. There are multiple values available for you to toggle the same, or you can just simply go for the reset option if you don't want anything like that in your video.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.